What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to be talking about Palantir, and we're going to be going over the news of Cathie Wood selling some of her Tesla, purchasing some Palantir. We're also going to go over the technical analysis. The first thing I want to say, though, is that any single time that you see, for instance, Cathie Wood did this or that or sold, most of the time it's usually just FUD. It's not her selling massive amounts of positions. It's usually small balancing here and there, which is basically what we are seeing again today. But I still wanted to go over it. I want to talk about it. I want to go over the technicals for Palantir. Ultimately, I think we're going to probably drop under this support and where I see this thing going in the next couple of weeks. So hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord. It's completely free. Link in the description. You guys get access to courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, multiple free trades this week that would have made over $1,000. And on top of that, the best unusual options bot in the game. It's a $200 a month system that we pay for so that you guys can have it for free. This week I have traded and I've gotten $3,610 in profits. I did actually day trade a little bit more than I normally do. Took 21 trades. Of those 21, 4 were losers. Did take a big loss on Palantir, $1,400, but still made $3,600 this week. If you guys want access to all my trades, you can upgrade once you're in the Discord for $20 a month. Go ahead and check it out, guys. Now, let's talk about the news. So this was yesterday, the January 6th. Cathie Wood sells another $5 million in Tesla stock, which is like literally nothing. $5 million. It's enough to put in a headline, but not enough to really do anything. And buy shares in Palantir and this Chinese e-commerce giant. Cathie Wood on Thursday booked more profit in Tesla, selling 4,620 shares, estimated to be about $4.9 million based on the last closing price. Elon Musk-led company closed 2% lower. We're going to know that. Tesla posted significant gains in Monday as it reported its fourth quarter delivery numbers that surpassed expectations. We already talked about that. The three ETFs held about 1.6 million shares worth $1.7 billion prior to Thursday's trade. So please remember that. It held $1.75 billion worth of Tesla, and now it holds, 5 million less. Oh no. Prior to Thursday's trade, Tesla on Sunday smashed fourth quarter deliveries. We already talked about that. Cathie Wood, who also found ARK Invest, is a Tesla bull, has set a $3,000 price target. She bought 430,000 shares, estimated to be $7.2 million in Palantir. Stock closed 1.3% lower, and sold 46,000 shares, estimated to be about $3.3 million in JD. So at the end of the day, basically nothing crazy. That's the first thing I want to put out there. I will probably do a little recap on this tomorrow for Tesla, just talking about this because I did have a lot of people like, hey, do you think that's going to affect the price of Tesla? Like, probably not, right? It makes a good headline, but probably not. So it's $1.75 billion in, 1.7 billion, not 1.75 billion anymore, in Tesla. So overall, if she is buying Palantir, really not that much, but to her, I believe that she thinks that this is a really good price for Palantir long term. So looking at Palantir, still down at this support range, still sitting under this support. We're still sitting in this area. We are trying to bounce. We are trying to hold. It's like a huge tug of war psychologically down here. You have a huge hammer doji yesterday, a huge inverted hammer doji today, and the TTM is squeezing like an MFer. This thing, there's so much pressure in the past week. The squeeze has to release at some point, and that's why, even though I think that there's probably a 65% chance that the squeeze will release back to the upside and will reclaim that support at like 17, it still worries me enough to be closing out my position, and that's why I did that. I actually did take another position in Palantir, which I did just close out very recently, a small one. You can see put credit spread. I made $52. Fill up my tank of gas today for the week. But overall, at the end of the day, nothing crazy. I just wanted to put that out there. Nothing crazy has really happened with Palantir. Still holding this support, but I'm kind of hoping to make this video to give you guys an understanding like that's just not a big deal. And anything that you read in the headlines or anything you listen to a YouTuber, including myself, should always be factually checked by yourself as well, or by a professional that you know. Guys, thanks for all the support. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what tickers you want me to look at down below. And have a great day, guys. Peace.